Hello students, today we will learn chapter parallel lines. Look at this example. If AB parallels to DE, then find angle ACD in given figure. Look at this figure. In this figure, AB parallels to DE and AE is the transversal. So angle 1 is equals to 35 degree because these are pairs of alternate interior angles. And now in triangle CDE, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle D is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Now put the value of angle 1, it is 35 degree plus angle 2 plus 53 degree is equal to 180 degree, and the sum of 35 and 53 is 88. So angle 2 is equals to 180 degree minus 88, and angle 2 is equal to 92 degree. And now angle ACD plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree because these are making linear pair. So angle ACD is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2, and angle 2 is 92. So angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 92 is equals to 88 degree. Now look at this next example. In the diagram given below, PQ parallels to OL. Is OL parallels to ST? You have to give reason. Now look at the figure. In this question we have given PQ parallels to OL and QX is a transversal. So angle Q plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree because these are the sum of co-interior angle. And now angle Q is given 110 degree. So 110 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, and angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. Now angle 1 plus 60 degree plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree because these are straight line angles. And now put the value of angle 1, that is 70 degree plus 60 degree plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. Sum of 70 degree plus 60 degree is 130 degree. So angle 2 is equals to 180 minus 130 degree, and angle 2 is equals to 50 degree. And now angle 2 plus angle S, the sum of these two angles is equals to 50 degree plus 130 degree is equals to 180 degree, and we can see here, but these are the sum of co-interior angles. When the sum of co-interior angles are equals to 180 degree, then lines will be parallel. So here OL is parallel to ST, hence proved. Now look at the next example. In this example, AB parallel to PQ, then we have to find the value of angle Y. Now look at here. In this question, AB parallels to PQ, it is given in the question, and now we have to do some self construction here because AB parallels to PQ, so we have to draw a line ST which is parallel to AB. It is by self construction. And now AO is transversal, so angle 1 is equal to 59 degree because these are alternate interior angles. Similarly, when AB parallels to PQ and we have drawn ST parallel to AB, then PQ parallels to ST and PO is a transversal. So angle 2 is equals to 59 degree because this is also a alternate interior angle. And now angle 2 is equal to 59 degree. Now angle Y is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Put the value of angle 1 and angle 2. So it is 59 degree plus 59 degree is equals to 118 degree. Now look at other example. For what value of x is L parallel to M? Now students, look at here. Angle 1 plus 5x plus 35 degree is equals to 180 degree because these are making linear pair. So angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 5x minus 35 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 145 degree minus 5x. Now here angle 1 equals to 45 degree, only then line L will be parallel to M because these two angles are pairs of corresponding angles. So put the value of angle 1 here. It is 145 degree minus 5x is equals to 45 degree. And now 5x is equals to 145 degree minus 45 degree, and here 5x is equal to 100 degree and x is equals to 100 divided by 5, so it is 20 degree. So for L parallel to M, the required value of x is 20 degree. Now moving towards home assignment, do brain teaser of chapter 10. Thank you.